Hey everybody, welcome to Hacking Life with Jessie. Today we are going to clean our washing machine because the other day we just fixed it, so now we're going to try cleaning it. I've got some cleaning tablets that I bought at Walmart, and we're going to, this is what they look like, we're going to follow the directions on the back, which say to turn the washing machine onto hot water and a heavy cycle because I don't have a cleaning setting on my washing machine. I have an older washing machine. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, these are what the packets look like inside the box, and we only need one. So we'll get that open. So here I am dumping the tablet into the washing machine. We'll throw the wrapper away.
Bye!
And then we're going to put the washing machine on a heavy, hot cycle, it says. And we're going to do a super load. We will fill it up and see how it looks later.
My video!
I have ran the heavy washing cycle using the hot water, and now I'm going to open the washing machine and see what it looks like inside. Okay, so it's kind of hard to see the inside of the washer. I'm going to wipe it out with a paper towel and see. See what's in there. I don't see anything. So there's just a little bit of like basically dust in there. I don't see anything else. But I'm gonna wipe it all out good. Yeah, it looks pretty clean. So I must have been doing a pretty good job at cleaning my washing machine. Maybe it's all the bleach that I use in my towels each time, but the washing machine looks clean. So now it doesn't say to do this, but I am going to run a cycle with no clothes in it at all and just like basically wash it, like clean it, so there's no buildup or residue left from the cleaning agent that was used to clean the washing machine. So I'm going to try that and see how it goes. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.